What you are about to witness is not just a restoration. It's the astonishing rebirth of a forgotten legend. Buried under layers of rust and time, a hidden soul waits to be awakened. This is the story of how the impossible becomes reality. Every single piece holds a secret to be unveiled. And the transformation will leave you breathless. The deconstruction begins, a careful autopsy of decay. Each component is meticulously separated from the rusted shell. Decades of neglect are methodically peeled away, layer by layer. The first step towards renewal is a thorough cleansing. Even the most stubborn, frozen parts must yield to this new purpose. The framework's true condition is revealed, a skeletal reminder of what was. The process is slow, demanding patience and a steady hand. At the heart of the machine, the engine's secrets await. A complex puzzle of gears and metal, frozen in time. Every part, no matter how small, is essential to the coming revival. The cleansing fire of restoration begins to purify the old metal. More layers are stripped back, searching for a solid foundation. The machine's nervous system, a tangled web of wires, is carefully extracted. The final vestiges of dirt and grime are washed away. Now, stripped to its core, the true work of transformation can begin. Life is breathed back into the machine's veins, wire by wire. A painstaking process of reconnecting the past to the future. New components begin to merge with the old, restored framework. Slowly, a recognizable shape starts to emerge from the chaos. The skeletal form stands ready, a canvas for the artistry to come. The wheels, once symbols of motion, are now inert and lifeless. They must be broken down completely before they can be rebuilt. The chain, the link between power and movement, is uncoupled. The disassembly continues, with every part cataloged for restoration. The fuel tank, the heart of the machine's thirst, is finally freed. Years of sediment and decay are purged with cleansing water. Sparks fly as the deep-seated rust is violently stripped away. A metallic gleam, unseen for decades, is finally unveiled. The surface is smoothed by hand, a final preparation for its new skin. The first coat of primer is applied, a base for the coming brilliance. Even the primer must be perfected, ensuring a flawless finish. A coat of deep, commanding black transforms the weathered metal. The result? A flawless, mirror-like surface reborn from rust. Even the brittle plastic components are given a new life. They are reshaped and reinforced, stronger than before. The meticulous surface preparation is repeated once more. A glimpse of the finished work, a promise of what's to come. Another piece begins its journey from wreckage to art. The imperfections of the past are sanded away into memory. A bold design begins to take shape, a fusion of color and form. The final color is applied with an artist's precision. The smallest details are perfected, creating a seamless whole. The surface is refined, achieving a glass-like smoothness. The process continues, each part receiving its own transformation. A new canvas is prepared for a different, vibrant hue. The surface is meticulously refined, ready for its new identity. A stunning fiery red is sprayed, bringing intense new energy. The color deepens, masking the memory of its rusted past. Attention now turns to the bike's very foundation, the frame, an aggressive assault on the corrosion that has weakened its core. Beneath the rust, the strong, dark metal is revealed once more. The entire frame is stripped bare, ready for its rebirth. A protective coat of black seals the metal, ensuring its future strength. The exhaust, the voice of the engine, must also be resurrected. Corrosion is ground away, preparing it to roar once more. A montage of transformation. The old gives way to the new. Each restored piece is a testament to the vision and dedication involved. The wheels, once red with rust, are now ready for their renewal. The old, worn rubber is wrestled from the corroded rims. Two rusted circles, silent and waiting for their second chance. The bare metal is polished, a brilliant silver emerging from the grime. The first layer of protective black is applied, a new foundation. The surface is painstakingly smoothed for the final, vibrant color. The brilliant red returns, tying the design together. Even the tires are renewed, washed clean of the road's memory. The brake disc, a critical safety component, is stripped of its decay. A mirror-like shine is restored, ensuring perfect function. It too is given a fresh coat, protecting it from the elements. The fresh tire is carefully mounted onto the brilliantly restored rim. The bike's electrical harness is submerged, a baptism before rebirth. Each connection is checked and rewrapped, ensuring a flawless current. A complex web of colors, each wire with a vital role to play. Now, the deepest challenge, the revival of the engine's heart. Specialized tools are needed to unlock its mechanical secrets. The cylinder head is removed, revealing the engine's inner sanctum. The valves, the lungs of the engine, are inspected and cleaned. The slow, careful process of reassembly begins with renewed parts. The engine, long silent, begins its journey back to life. Specialized tools are now used to disassemble the core. The internal mechanics are exposed, a complex and oily landscape. The clutch assembly, the engine's grip, is carefully removed. It is bathed and cleansed of decades of hardened grime. Deeper and deeper, the teardown reveals the engine's very soul. Every tiny component is critical to the engine's future performance. The complexity is astounding, a testament to mechanical engineering. Almost completely disassembled, the engine is a collection of parts. The crankshaft is freed, the engine's powerful, rotating hard. The final pieces are separated, a complete mechanical deconstruction. Now, laid bare, every single part will be inspected and renewed. The process of renewal starts with a meticulous cleaning. Organized and clean, the parts wait for their reassembly. A close inspection ensures that only perfect components will be used. The engine casing itself is prepared for its cosmetic rebirth. Each part is scrubbed and polished, erasing the marks of time. the two halves of the casing, now completely empty and clean. The last of the old, contaminated oil is drained away forever. The engine casings, once caked in grime, are ready for restoration. The surface is ground smooth, erasing scars and imperfections. A flawless finish is achieved through patient, careful work. A brilliant silver coating is applied, giving it a factory-fresh look. The transformation is dramatic, from aged and dirty to pristine. Other engine parts are also given a new, durable finish. The smallest gears are bathed, ensuring smooth, silent operation. Every internal component is meticulously cleaned and lubricated. A clean workspace is prepared for the delicate reassembly. The reassembly begins, starting with the crucial main bearings. The intricate gearbox is reconstructed piece by precious piece. Modern tools ensure every bolt is torqued to perfection. Each part fits perfectly into the restored casing. The delicate process requires both force and precision. The engine's electrical heart is carefully seated into place. The new casing cover is installed, sealing the renewed internals. The engine begins to look whole again, a vision in silver and beige. More internal components are added with care and precision. The freshly cleaned clutch plates are installed, ready to grip. The engine is complete, a masterpiece of restored mechanical art. The clutch cover is the final piece of the engine puzzle. A striking new engine cover adds a touch of modern style. The final bolts are secured, bringing the engine assembly to a close. The reassembled cylinder head is torqued down with precision. The head cover is installed, fully enclosing the reborn engine. Now, the grand assembly begins. As the drivetrain is connected, the brilliant red rear wheel is mounted to the frame. The front suspension is installed, giving the chassis its stance. The chassis becomes a single, solid unit once again. The magnificent engine is carefully guided into its new home. The triple clamp is fitted, the crucial link to the steering. A final polish ensures every part is spotless. The handlebars, the rider's point of control, are mounted. The new gauges and controls are wired into the system. The battery is installed, ready to spark the machine to life. Every connection is tightened and secured for the final ride. The fluid lines are connected, the lifeblood of the engine. The foot pegs and gear shifter are mounted in place. The kickstand is installed, allowing the bike to stand on its own. Final bodywork panels are carefully screwed into place. The side fairings are attached, completing the sleek, new look. One final check of the electrical system. The journey is complete. The forgotten legend rides again. From a rusted relic to a rolling masterpiece, reborn and unleashed. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel DT Restoration for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel. at the link in the description below.